Hey guys, what's going on? This is Awesome 101 here, and today we are doing another YouTube video reaction. So today we're going to react to Potter Puppet Pals, The Mysterious Ticking Noise. So its video's link will be in the description below if you want to check it out. Also, if you want to check out, just check up the Potter Puppet Pal video. It's linked in the description below, yeah. And I got my new haircut. If you guys saw my last video I made. Alright, here we go with the video. The curtains. The Potter Puppet Pals. The mysterious ticking noise. There's Snape.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there.
Not over there. Okay.
Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape.
Oh my goodness.
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore! There he goes
Snape.
again.
Severus Snape.
And again.
Snape.
Oh, there's Ron Weasley.
Snape. Snape. Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape. Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. There goes Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
That's me. Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape.
Dumbledore. Oh, he's naked.
Dumbledore. Harry Potter. Severus Snape. I'm Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Singing a song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking.
What
It's
is
a
it?
pipe bomb. Yay!
It's a bomb. Lord Voldemort.
Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldemort.
The end. That was incredible. Alright guys. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe and I'll see you guys later.